Welcome to an oven cake and cookies. Today we are making a crispy and colorful snack that's easy to prepare and impossible to stop eating. First take 2 medium tomatoes, cut them into pieces and transfer them to a blender. Blend until completely smooth. Measure half cup tomato puree and pour it into a mixing bowl. Now add half cup semolina or suji. Next add 1 cup all-purpose flour. Season with half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper powder and half teaspoon chili powder. Mix everything well. Now knead it into a soft dough. If the dough feels sticky, dust it with a little flour while kneading. Cover the dough and let it rest for 10 minutes. After resting, take a small portion of the dough. Roll it into a thin sheet. Tomatoes naturally add a beautiful color to the dough without any artificial coloring. Always roll the dough thin for the crispiest texture. Trim the edges. Now prick with a fork. Cut into long strips. Now cut into small triangles. Triangle-shaped chips look evenly and become extra crispy. Heat oil over medium heat. Carefully drop the chips into the oil. Homemade chips let you adjust the spice level exactly the way you like. Tomatoes are a natural source of vitamin C and antioxidants. Homemade snacks contain fewer preservatives than many packaged chips. You can easily adjust the salt and spices to suit your family taste. Fry them on medium heat until they become light golden and crispy. Fry on medium heat so the chips cook evenly inside and out. Remove the chips and place them on kitchen paper to absorb any extra oil. While they are still warm, sprinkle half teaspoon peri peri masala. Your crispy homemade Tomatina chips are ready, light, crunchy and full of delicious tomato flavor with a spicy peri peri finish. Follow an oven cake and cookies for more easy snacks, baking recipes and delicious homemade treats.